bag I'm never gonna use, but I still got. Time for another dose of unboxings. Louis Vuitton Murikami unboxing. Ooh, finally. This is the order I picked up that I ordered from the last collection, the Cherry collection, third launch in France. Went to France to pick up, went to Paris to pick up. So let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we're doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. A Louis Vuitton unboxing of a bag I'm never gonna use. A bag I'm never gonna use, but I still got. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this for you guys. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay. So like I mentioned, I got them in Paris. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. Okay. Got them in Paris. Ordered in Paris because they didn't order here because I have better status there, and I thought I'd get a better bag there. And also, I didn't realize it was gonna take so long though. It took forever to get delivered, so that was a whole other thing. But once it finally was delivered, you have a certain amount of time to go pick it up. So booked a flight, went to France to go pick it up. So because I already brought it back, I don't have any that were like that, and because it was so late, I don't have the actual Murakami boxes. They didn't have any of the Cherry Murakami boxes left, but it is from the Cherry collection, and like I said, I'm probably not gonna keep it. I just had to get it because it was offered, which is Shopaholic, obviously. So I will unbox the two things I got. You were allowed, I don't know if this is a France only rule, but you're only allowed to get one leather good and one non-leather good. I think there might be different limitations in the US and also in France if you're from France or if you're French, right? Like I think it's also because I'm not French, because I always get a limitation. Or maybe I'm just not VIP. I'm just IP, you know? So let's unbox. I got the two things, regular boxes. So I got two things. Again, didn't repack them for you guys, sorry. This is the first thing. It is the small leather good. I really wanted to get the Cherry key charm, but that was sold out so fast, although Andrew did get it, but apparently it's like impossible. And I wanted to pick something else because I thought I could just borrow his. But also, I ordered another one on the website because it became available online. I got the notification, so I put a notification to get it on the website when it came in, and I ordered it and bought it to pick up in store, but it never actually came in. The whole time I was in France, it didn't deliver, so then I'm still waiting on it. But I don't know, I guess I'll have to go back and get it if it does come in, but I'm not gonna make a whole trip for like a little charm. Anyway, so I got this one instead, which is kind of cool, because I can hang it on a different bag, and it's this charm. It's like a little key. You can hang it on both sides. I feel like it'll go well on a Birkin or any kind of tote bag with two handles. It won't fit on this bag, unfortunately. I tried. I mean, it might slightly fit, but it's a little weird. I think it's a little too short this way, but it's got a little cherry charm, and then the LV, and then those two things, okay? And then the bag, which I'm definitely not gonna keep. This is not my kind of bag, and again, I just got it. I thought it was a really hard to get bag, coveted, and also because it's limited edition and collector thing, and I feel like this would be a good first bag for my future daughter. So starting to build that collection. I mean, everything I'm gonna pass down, obviously, but what I wanna pass down as she's growing up. So I thought this would be the first one, maybe like an 18th birthday thing, because it'll literally be, if I start in 2 years, it'll be 20 years down the line, which will be like a 40-year anniversary of this collection. Okay. So, also comes with this new type of box where it's like that instead of the old type of box with the magnetic thing, which I thought was kind of cool and different. Okay, if you know, you know, you know, you know. Cherry collection, so it is the Speedy 20 in Cherry in a monogram. You guys know I'm not a big Louis Vuitton monogram person, but I thought this was gonna be the star of the show, and I think it is the star of the show because you still can't get it. And Andrew got the Keepall too, which I'll borrow all the rest of. So Keepalls are really the only thing I use from Louis Vuitton these days. I used to use the wallets a lot, and I used to use my other bags, but I feel like it smells so good. I don't know, I kind of grew out that phase. So I'm going to more sophisticated, more refined, more settled, more upper class, more classy, more older Hermes packs, you know. Anyway, it's got this little different clochette thingy, and then it has a strap, and yeah, that's about it. So those are the two things I got. I'm sure I've already posted the story time or the video, but if I haven't, I will, and then go check that out of the shopping experience. Anyway, that's all for that. Short and sweet. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? I hope she likes it. I hope she'll like it. Otherwise, it's just gonna sit as a collector's piece, which I have a few too many of those. Yeah, anyway, okay. That's all I got, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me, okay? See you in the next one, baby. Bye.